Hey guys, D.I.Y and Craft wants to see what's inside Pulley the Elephant, so here it is for you and everyone else.
Toys for you. Hi guys, we had a lot of technical difficulties and now we are seeing what's inside of Pulley the Elephant for D.I.Y and Craft and for you all. Where is my screwdriver? There it is. Let's go. Come here, take a look.
I bet it is a challenge for many of you to say what song he sings. So, I challenge you, name the song he sings. Apparently, we have another empty-headed toy. Nothing in the head. This good-looking fellow is a big challenge, as you will see. Okay, as you can see, we are having a hard time opening him, and that is because we haven't opened the battery case. Because there are hidden another 2 screws. After removing the screws, we gently open the elephant. But you see, the empty head is a problem and we found out we have to remove it. What we found inside is a bit of a puzzle. I don't see the engine. After inserting the batteries, we take a look. And yeah, the next surprise are the 2 engines that are hidden in the shoes, in the skates more precisely. 2 of the wheels in the skates are moving. That is a surprise for us too. So the most natural thing is to go ahead and open the skate to see what's inside. And the big moment is here. And the mystery is revealed. Voila! We have an engine that spins 2 gears for the wheels. Clever gears, huh? Each engine has its own circuit. As you can see, here are the wires, and each engine is controlled by a separate chip. Now the tricky part is to put the elephant back together, and let me tell you that it was no easy task.
Finally, I realized that I had to start from the back and work my way to the top.
But the hands were very tricky and the wires kept coming out.
So I had to turn on to my cameraman to help me out, which eventually he did, and we had our pulley back together.
Thank you guys for watching. Please let me know what you think about it and do comment. I read all your comments and I enjoy them all. So keep them coming and let's see what else you want to see inside. Thank you.
Let's have an understanding. Now what? Brother, what a way to run a railroad. Now, as I was saying... All right. Let's get this picture started.